The 5 foods that more darken the white teeth. Avoid it. If you want your teeth to look as white as pearls and your smile shines as if it were a toothpaste ad, you should know that there are some foods and drinks that damage the tooth enamel. Your teeth may darken or turn yellow if you abuse some foods. It is not enough to maintain good oral and dental hygiene on a daily basis, and with bleaching toothpaste. If you reduce the consumption of these foods, you will get a perfect smile to dazzle in all your photos. 1. Coffee. You take it every morning to activate you, but coffee, especially if it is coffee alone without milk, stains and yellows the dental enamel. In addition, it has a dehydrating effect on the mouth, which means you produce less saliva to keep your teeth clean. A good idea is to add a little milk to your morning coffee if you do not want to stop drinking it. 2. Blueberries. Like coffee, blueberries have a dark color that can stain the enamel of the teeth. We do not want you to stop eating blueberries, because these forest fruits are full of antioxidants and essential nutrients, but instead of eating them alone, mix them with yogurt or prepare a smoothie. Grab a straw and sip the cranberry smoothie, because in this way, you avoid direct contact with your teeth and you continue to benefit from this tiny fruit. 3. Beet. The striking and deep red color of the beet makes it really appetizing and makes you wake up hungry. Unfortunately, this vegetable can wreak havoc so your teeth stay white as beads. Wash your teeth well and use a mouthwash after eating beets and there will be no problem. 4. Processed carbohydrates. Like cookies, sandwich bread and all foods containing simple and refined carbohydrates that have been added sugars, can damage your teeth and cause cavities. It is not that you stop eating this type of food, but you have to brush your teeth later to prevent the bacteria they contain will produce some cavities. 5. Red wine. Enjoying a good glass of red wine is a real pleasure, but before you open a bottle, or two, you might like to know that the intense reddish color of red wine, as well as its acidity, darken the teeth. The particles of red wine are introduced into the pores of the teeth and so, after drinking wine,